Alamin naman natin ang mga kaganapan patungkol naman sa intensified spot check monitoring ng social programs sa Sulu. Para sa detaling yan, makakasama natin para malaman natin ang buod o kaya pinaka ginagawa ng MSSD. Makakasama natin, Monitoring and Evaluation Section Head ng MSSD BARM, si Sir Mokhtar B. Abubakar. Sir, assalamualaikum, magandang gabi po. Tayo po yung napapakinggan dito sa Metro Manila, sa Mega Manila, at syempre sa social media, pati na rin sa PTV.
Assalamualaikum Sir Nord. Assalamualaikum po sa ating mga tagapakinig at tagapanood po ng Radyo Pilipinas.
Yeah, walaikum salam. Thank you very much sa inyong oras at syempre naibabahagi natin itong mga programa ng MSSD. Anyways, ano po ba itong field random spot check monitoring po, sir?
Okay po. Sir Nord, at sa ating mga viewers ngayon, yung ating pong exercise, which is yung random spot check monitoring of beneficiaries ng MSSD po, ay ginagawa natin upang mas palakasin pa ang ating monitoring and evaluation efforts po ng ministry. Given the vast programs and services po na ating ginagawa at ini-implement sa ground, it is very important for us to conduct this monitoring of beneficiaries para po ma-assess natin, sir, ang effectiveness ng pag-implement natin ng programs, at the same time kung naaayon ba sa ating mga program guidelines yung ating pag-implement on the ground. So we are doing these monitoring activities to really ensure that we are held accountable against the beneficiaries that we are serving. At the same time, we are effectively and efficiently implementing our programs and services po.
Doing this program, paano natin ito, literal na paano natin ito ginagawa? Nagbabahay-bahay po ba tayo? Pumupunta po tayo sa mga tahanan para ma-check natin sila on this monitoring?
Yes po. So for this random spot check monitoring of beneficiaries, Sir Nords, we first get randomly yung data po ng ating mga beneficiaries that we would like to monitor through our beneficiary data management system, or yung ating BDMS po. So doon po ay na-access namin kami sa monitoring and evaluation section lahat po ng profiles ng ating mga beneficiaries, and then from there we randomly select po yung mga beneficiaries that we would like to visit on a specific program in a specific province, municipality, and at the barangay level po. And then at the regional level, we form a team. Kami po yung nagli-lead ang monitoring and evaluation section. Kasama po namin yung mga representatives po, sir, ng programs and operation services, wherein sila po yung lead implementer ng mga programs and services na ito. So we go down to a specific barangay, in the chosen barangay, the chosen beneficiary, at nag-house to house po tayo, sir. Randomly, we are checking the status of our beneficiaries.
Okay. So sa ngayon, ito pinapakita natin ay gumawi kayo sa may Luzon area. Rather Sulu area. So how was the spot checks natin in these areas? At ano yung gusto nating malaman dito sa mga spot checks na to?
Yes po. So far, Sir Nord, just recently, alhamdulillah, that we were able to capture. We visited po the province of Sulu. And specifically po yung munisipyo ng Jolo and Indanan. So in each of the barangays po, sir, we visited around two barangays each, in each of the municipality. So we covered around 33 beneficiaries po, sir. So during the activity, of course, sir, kinukumusta natin ang ating mga beneficiaryo. Meron po kaming dala-dalang interview form. So related to the programs that we are implementing. For example po, yung ating Unlad Pamilyang Bangsamoro program, which is more on sa livelihood po. We are providing livelihood to our beneficiaries. The KUPKO program, we are providing assistance sa mga orphan or mga ilo po, at the community level. So we have this set of questionnaire po, then we'll be we interviewed our beneficiaries kung kumusta na po ang kanilang kalagayan, kung nakatulong nga po ba ang ating programs and services sa kanila, and other things pa po that we need to know about the program implementation at yung naging situation po ng ating mga beneficiaries, especially po yung impact siguro po ng program, sir. That's why we did this random spot check monitoring activities.
Ayun. So it's the same programs and projects na ginagawa both local and national. So chine-check nyo ba yung mga national programs that are implemented in the MSSD or BARM areas? And so as kasama na din yung mga local programs under MSSD. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Ayun.
Under this spot check monitoring, sir, actually, sir, this is for the first semester, medyo tumutok po muna tayo sa mga regionally funded programs po natin, sir.
Ayun.
No? And then, inshallah po, the plan for the next round of monitoring by second semester, we will be also, sir, including our nationally funded program, sir.
Ayun.
So pilot tayo for this semester to conduct this random spot check monitoring. Inshallah, sir, in the coming semester, we will be covering more programs dito sa ating spot check monitoring to include or nationally funded programs.
So far, ang nagagawa pala natin is in Sulu. So ilan pang community ang gagawin natin for the spot checks?
Actually, sir, we have already covered
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 5 provinces na po, sir. We started with Maguindanao del Norte last February 26 to 27, and then we did visit Maguindanao del Sur last 24 to 25 March, the special geographic area nung 26 to 27 March, sir. And then also recently, Tawi-Tawi nung 7 to 8 of April. And then ito na nga po yung sa Sulu, itong nung 29 to 30 April po.
Okay.
And then we are expected also to visit Lanao del Sur and Basilan before po mag-end yung first semester.
Okay. Sir Abubakar, may tinitingnan akong video na kung saan may nabigyan pa ng artificial limb.
Yes po.
Can you please tell something about that sa beneficiary natin?
Ano po? Sorry, sir. What?
Parang nabigyan ata siya ng artificial limb.
Yes. Yung isang beneficiary po natin na nabigyan po ng assistance sa Tawi-Tawi po ata yan.
Okay. So, what's the story behind that? Parang grabe.
Yes, so, yes, sir. Abila po ay nabigyan natin ng tinatawag na artificial na paa, sir, no? So our Kalinga para sa may kapansanan na program, sir. No?
And now,
document natin, sir, na success story of the program implementation po ng ministry.
and now nakita ko kasi he's riding the motorcycle. Namamasada.
Yes po, sir. Because of the assistance that we provided, ay napabalik natin siya sa somehow in normalcy, sir, no? Mas naging normal yung situation niya kasi kahit papaano, nakakapamasada na po siya ulit. Nakakapagtrabaho na din ulit, sir. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Doon naman sa mga spot checks monitoring nyo, if in case na merong irregularities na mga ano po yung consequences ng mga beneficiaries natin in case na may mahanap tayo na ganun?
Yes, sir. So, during this spot check, sir, no, isa din, tama din po yun, sir. We also took note of some observations po, especially if yung pag-implement po natin ng program ay medyo hindi po slightly hindi po umayon, no, doon sa established na mga implementation program guidelines. But at the end of the day, sir, this exercise ay hindi po actually pagpupulis, no, but instead tinitingnan natin siya as a way for us to improve our program implementation. So we took note of that, sir. Actually, yung magiging output po ng buong monitoring activities that will be coming up with the monitoring report wherein andun po lahat ng mga findings natin to include yung mga points for improvement. And then sa side po ng team, ng regional monitoring team, will be providing as well recommendations that this will be discussed, sir, by the top management of the MSSD for consideration and for improvement as well.
Maraming salamat, Sir Mokhtar. Hopefully, sana makasama namin kayo ulit sa iba pang programa ng MSSD. Our Monitoring and Evaluation Section Head ng MSSD, Mokhtar Abubakar.